Let's start saving you thousands of dollars by keeping your dollars working 24/7. Begin by securing a small line of credit as little as 1.5 times the dollars you deposit monthly. Create your spending plan in CashMap Pro's cash flow, then shift the dates you pay your bills to the end of your line of credit's billing cycle. Next, move to Use your positive cash flow to project your future income and the money left after paying your bills. Now use Maximize Your Savings to create your savings plan. CashMap Pro's Accelerate Your Loan Payoff creates your personalized solution to quickly pay off debt and grow savings. Save your cash maps in My Maps, create alternatives, and choose the strategy that works for you. Start using your preferred solution. As your financial picture changes, create a new set of cash maps. Congratulations! You've learned how to keep your dollars working 24/7. Get started today mapping your financial future.